Hey everybody, this is Pork Chop out here with John, and today we're going to be working with the Haloview S7 Sophon AI system. This is a camera system that you can mount either on the back of your camper, back of your vehicle, or something like that, and have a monitor inside your vehicle to look at either if someone's walking behind you, to watch a vehicle, see if they're tailgating you, and it helps with backing up. We're going to be using John's 2012 Subaru SUV as our test vehicle today, and his Scamp trailer. Alright, the unit itself comes with this camera right here. This is a rotation where you adjust it and set it yourself. It is a rechargeable camera, and since it is rechargeable, it is designed to be mounted with a magnet. Magnets are peel and stick and are extremely strong. We have laid this thing on many surfaces, and you've definitely got to have some good hand strength to take it off. It mounts with a single antenna that screws on and tilts, and that can mount either on the back of your vehicle, back of your trailer, or your camper. This is your monitor. As you can see, it's about the size of both of my hands. The monitor here will be inside the vehicle for you to watch at all times. It does have an antenna for it also. This actually runs on the cigarette lighter charging port and has a nice swinging bracket and suction cup mount where we can mount this to the windshield and have it hanging. Next, we're going to get everything mounted up and show you what it looks like. Alright, this is the standard swing bracket, and it comes with all the hardware. This is the bracket that you would use if you want to mount this somewhere on a dash, on a pedestal, something like that. But if you are just looking to have it strictly mounted on here, which is the ball swivel, and what we're going to have is another magnetic plate that's going to hook onto the back of the base here. That one is enclosed here. And that peels and sticks right here inside on this plate, right over here, right over this plate. And everything is 3M peel and stick, and you choose how you want to mount it. For the testing purposes today, we're just going to hold it. Alrighty, so like I said before, it runs on a standard, just basic phone charging cigarette lighter port. It does have a cord. This is the type of cord that comes on it, and there's an adapter cord where you plug this in. The reason they designed this with an adapter cord is apparently in the instructions it states if you have a certain model of BMW SUV that you have to use a certain adapter in order to get power from it. So right now we're going to plug it into the phone charging port. Alrighty, so we've got our power set up. We press the power button. We're going to turn the monitor on. Right now the camera is basically just sitting on top of the back of the car with its own magnet. Any metal surface, the magnets are already built into it. So it's sitting very nice and firm. So this is the general idea. The grids here is going to be your backing distance. It's supposed to have a warning system. As you back up, this will beep at you. If someone is walking behind the vehicle, or if you have this on the back of your camper. So you can kind of use it two ways. If you're a towing person, you can use it on the back of your vehicle to watch your camper. Or if you're traveling a long distance with a trailer or a camper, you can put it on the back of the camper, and it'll help judge when someone's behind you about changing lanes and things like that.